Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get cheap car insurance in New Jersey. So you simply need to search for cheap car insurance in New Jersey. So open that and you need to open any website. So I'm going to select this one, Best New Jersey Auto Insurance. So click on that, add your zip code and click on get your codes. So wait for few seconds and here you need to complete this one. So click on check rates. Please enter a valid zip code. So you simply need to search for New Jersey zip code and 07018. We are going to try this one, 07018. Click on check rates. Okay, select your vehicle year 24 and select your vehicle maker. Let's suppose Honda. Select your vehicle model. So it's a code. Select your vehicle trim. So it is LX sedan. Add second vehicle. So I want to add no. If you add, you can get 20% off. Have you had auto insurance in the past 30 days? So no. Gender, I am male. Married, yes. What's the highest level of education you have ever completed? So I completed college degree. What is your employment status? I am employed. Are you a homeowner? Are you on my own house? Are either you or your spouse an active member or a honorably discharged veteran of the US military? So no. And here you need to add your birth. So I'm going to add a random birth. So it is a random. Let me add. Okay. And here you need to add your first name, last name, your email, and click on continue and complete your profile. And after that you will get the price codes and you will get the best price codes according to your requirements. So this is the process that you need to follow to get cheap car insurance in New Jersey. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.